Hey guys, so today we're gonna do another unboxing video. So let me show you guys the box that just came. So we got a tall box, just got delivered. So this box came from Tomorrow's Harvest. Let me turn this around. Tomorrow's Harvest by Burchell Nursey Inc. So you guys see that at the bottom it says product of California. So you know I searched far and wide for this plant and it's finally here. Had to get it from California, guys. It's that serious. I'm in Florida and I still couldn't get it. So I'm gonna take this to the garage and we'll see what this tree look like. All right, guys, G just opened the box, so let's see. Oh, yeah, it's packaged real good. Windy out here. All right, so it looks okay. I just need to get it out the box and see how it looks standing up straight. Okay, not bad. Not bad at all. It's a good sized tree. I think they told me this is a 5-gallon. So, new growth on the top. Yeah, she told me they was gonna have to snip it a little bit to fit in the box. That's fine. It'll grow back. So, this right here look like it's broke. Kind of floppy, but at least there's new growth everywhere, so that's a good sign. Man, it looked like it produced a fruit right there and they ate it. Cause the yeah, it looked like a little piece where a fruit would have been. Either they ate it or it dropped off. Cause the girl that worked at the nursery, I spoke to her on the phone and she was telling me when they see ripe fruit, they eat it. I said, yeah, I don't blame you. I'll eat it too. So yeah, this is the 5-gallon I got from them. Again, the company called Tomorrow's Harvest from California. And I paid about, I think it was like $56, not including shipping. So yeah, it's windy. Woo. So we gotta get this, you think we're gonna up-pot this or it's gonna stay in that pot there, G?
Yeah, I looked at it.
Okay. If it ain't root bound, he said it's gonna stay for now, so we gotta check it. So let's look at the tag here. I didn't even tell you guys what this is. My apologies. This is a red Malaysian guava. Red Malaysian guava. And like I said, I couldn't find this in Florida. It's weird. I couldn't find it in Florida and I had to order it so far away. Okay, we getting ready to up-pot the red Malaysian guava. And we're gonna use this barrel pot here. You know, that's the only pot I use to up-pot everything. And this is our dirt here that G just mixed. A little bit of perlite, half a bag of Miracle Grow soil. There's a little bit of topsoil in there. And is cow manure in there? All right, no cow manure, but it's probably gonna go on top once we get done repotting. Yeah, so this will be our 4th guava, and I think this will complete our collection. And so we got this one. We got the Indian white right here. This is our Indian white guava. And then we got two pineapple guavas back here. Let me just show you guys real quick if you're new to the channel and never saw them. So this is one right here that looks a bit naked, but I guess it's a little dormant. This is a pineapple guava Nikita. That's Nikita. And I got this one from onegreenworld.com, and they're located in Oregon. I think they're in Oregon. And this one right here is a seedling pineapple guava that I got from a nursery years ago, probably like 2 years ago. And it got so mature and nice. And we did some pruning down here, so it's a little opened up in the middle. But yeah, so those are the two we have, plus the two taller ones. So we're gonna up pot this and make it happy. I'll be back with the finished look. Okay, so we added all the dirt, and it's grafted right here, so you don't want to cover the grafted point. So what we're gonna do now is add some black cow manure and add a little mulch, and that's it. We're gonna just cut the ribbon that's holding that. Yeah. Oh, see, there go two more. Yeah, I think that's like you said, G, either fruit that dropped or fruit they picked off. So hopefully we'll get some by either this year or next year for ourselves. Yep, it's two right here, and one right here that had a fruit on it. So that's exciting. I'm so happy to finally get one of these trees, because I wanted one like 3 years ago, and just because I was in the wrong zone, I didn't get it, because this tree in the zone I was in 8A in Georgia. So if I would have got one of these, I would have never get fruit, but it would have just gave me pretty red leaves, but that's it. As far as fruit, no. So I guess you know, getting it now makes sense. So now I could get fruit now that I'm in Florida. So what are you doing, G?
Well,
You taking all the...
I'm gonna take it down a little. Let's tie these together right here.
Oh, okay. Okay. Well, that's it, you guys. Taking some of the ties off of this, and you know, giving the tree some breathing room. We just gonna water it in now, and that's it. Thank you guys for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.